Friends, today we embark on a journey. A journey that will take us deep into the world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship, and where simple pieces of wood are transformed into functional works of art. A journey into the heart of woodworking, where each cut, each grain, and each stroke of the chisel tells a story. Woodworking is not just a skill, it's an art form that has been passed down through generations. A tradition that connects us to our past, while allowing us to create something new and beautiful. In this episode, we'll transform humble planks of wood into objects of both beauty and utility, serving trays. These trays are not just practical items, they are a testament to the skill and dedication of the woodworker. From selecting the right type of wood to the final finishing touches, every step in the process is crucial to creating a piece that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're serving up a hearty breakfast in bed, complete with freshly brewed coffee and warm croissants, or presenting a spread of artisanal cheeses at a dinner party, a handcrafted serving tray adds a touch of class and sophistication to any occasion. Imagine the delight on your loved one's face as you bring them a beautifully arranged breakfast on a tray that you made with your own hands. Or picture the admiration of your guests as you present a selection of fine cheeses, fruits, and crackers on a tray that showcases your woodworking skills. These trays are not just serving pieces, they are conversation starters, pieces of art that reflect your personality and craftsmanship. A handcrafted serving tray adds a touch of class and sophistication to any occasion. It elevates the experience, making even the simplest meal feel special. The beauty of woodworking lies in its ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, to take something as simple as a piece of wood and turn it into something that brings joy and beauty into our lives. This project is perfect for woodworkers of all skill levels, from seasoned veterans who have spent years honing their craft to those just starting out on their woodworking journey. It's a project that allows you to practice and refine your skills, to experiment with different techniques, and to create something that you can be proud of. For beginners, it's an opportunity to learn the basics of woodworking, to get a feel for the tools and materials, and to experience the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. For experienced woodworkers, it's a chance to showcase your skills, to push the boundaries of your creativity, and to create a piece that is uniquely yours. Remember, the key is to take your time, enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Woodworking is as much about the journey as it is about the finished product. Each project is a learning experience, an opportunity to grow and improve your skills. So take your time, savor each moment, and enjoy the process of creating something beautiful. And don't be afraid to get your hands a little dirty. Woodworking is a hands-on activity, and part of the joy comes from feeling the wood, from shaping it with your own hands, and from seeing the transformation that takes place. So roll up your sleeves, embrace the dust and the shavings, and dive into the world of woodworking. Now let's gather our materials and get started. We'll need a selection of wood, some basic tools, and a lot of enthusiasm. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, this project is sure to be a rewarding experience. So, let's dive in and create something beautiful together. Welcome to the world of woodworking, where every piece tells a story, and every project is a new adventure. Before we commence our woodworking odyssey, we need to gather our trusty tools and materials. This is the foundation of any successful project, and having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete novice, the right equipment will set you on the path to creating something truly special. So let's dive into the essentials you'll need to bring your woodworking dreams to life. Fear not, the list is shorter than a Ron Swanson haiku. We'll keep it simple and straightforward, ensuring you have everything you need without overwhelming you with unnecessary items. After all, woodworking should be a joy, not a chore. So, let's start with the basics and build from there. You'll need a piece of hardwood for the tray's base. Hardwood is preferred for its durability and beautiful grain patterns, which will add a touch of elegance to your finished piece. When selecting your hardwood, consider the size and thickness that will best suit your project. A sturdy base is crucial for a functional and aesthetically pleasing tray. Maple, cherry, and walnut are all excellent choices. Each type of wood has its own unique characteristics. Maple is known for its light color and fine grain, making it a versatile option. Cherry offers a rich reddish hue that deepens with age, adding warmth to your project. Walnut, with its dark luxurious tones, provides a striking contrast and a touch of sophistication. Choose the wood that best matches your vision and style. Wood glue will bond our wooden pieces together, ensuring a sturdy and long-lasting tray. It's important to apply the glue evenly and clamp the pieces together until the glue sets. This will create a strong bond that can withstand daily use. Remember, patience is key here. Allow the glue to dry completely before moving on to the next step. For added strength and stability, we'll use wood screws to secure the tray's components. Screws provide additional reinforcement, ensuring that your tray can handle the weight of whatever you place on it. When selecting screws, make sure they are the appropriate length and type for your wood. Pre-drilling holes can help prevent the wood from splitting and make the assembly process smoother. Sandpaper will smooth out any rough edges and give our tray a polished finish. Start with a coarser grit to remove any major imperfections, then gradually move to finer grits for a silky smooth surface. Sanding not only enhances the appearance of the wood, but also prepares it for finishing, ensuring that the final product looks professional and feels great to the touch. And finally, a protective wood finish will enhance the natural beauty of the wood and make our tray water-resistant. There are various types of finishes to choose from, including oils, varnishes, and lacquers. Each offers different levels of protection and sheen. Apply the finish in thin, even coats, allowing each layer to dry before applying the next. This will not only protect the wood but also bring out its rich colors and intricate grain patterns, giving your tray a professional and polished look. Now that we have our materials assembled, it's time to break out the measuring tape and saw. This is where the magic begins. The foundation of any great woodworking project lies in the details, and those details start with precise measurements. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, the importance of accuracy cannot be overstated. Remember friends, precision is paramount in woodworking. It's the difference between a project that fits together perfectly and one that falls apart. Take your time to measure each piece of wood carefully. The old adage, measure twice, cut once, is a golden rule in this craft. Measure twice, cut once, and you'll save yourself a whole lot of heartache and wood in the long run. Double-checking your measurements ensures that every cut you make is deliberate and accurate. This step might seem tedious, but it's crucial for achieving a professional finish. First, decide on the desired dimensions of your tray. Sketch out your plan on paper, noting all the measurements. This blueprint will guide you through the process and help you visualize the final product. Planning ahead can save you from costly mistakes and wasted materials. Once you have your measurements, carefully mark the wood using a pencil and a straight edge. These markings will serve as your guide when you start cutting. Make sure your lines are straight and clear, as they will determine the accuracy of your cuts. When cutting the wood, ensure your cuts are straight and accurate. Use a steady hand and take your time. Rushing through this step can lead to mistakes that are difficult to fix. A precise cut will make assembly easier and result in a more polished final product. Remember, the quality of your cuts will reflect in the quality of your finished piece. With our pieces cut to size, it's time to assemble the tray. Apply a generous amount of wood glue to the edges of the base and carefully attach the sides. Use clamps to hold the pieces together while the glue dries. For added strength, we'll reinforce the joints with wood screws. Pre-drill the holes to prevent the wood from splitting, then drive in the screws, ensuring they sit flush with the surface. Section 5. Sanding away the rough edges, smooth operator. Once the glue has dried, it's time to give our tray a smooth, refined finish. This is where the sandpaper comes in. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper to remove any excess glue or rough edges. Gradually work your way up to a finer grit sandpaper, sanding in the direction of the wood grain. The goal is to achieve a surface that is as smooth as a baby's bottom. Section 6. Finishing touches, making it pretty. Now that our tray is sanded to perfection, it's time to apply a finish. This will not only enhance the natural beauty of the wood, but also protect it from moisture and wear and tear. There are a variety of finishes available, from natural oils to varnishes. Choose a finish that complements the type of wood you've used and apply it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Section 7. Optional add-ons, handles and such. At this point, your tray is fully functional. But if you're feeling fancy, we can add some optional features to elevate its design. Handles, for instance, not only add visual interest but also make the tray easier to carry. You can purchase pre-made handles or fashion your own from wood or metal. Section 8. Safety first, craftsmanship always. Remember friends, Safety should always be our top priority when engaging in any woodworking project. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as eye protection and a dust mask, especially when using power tools. Keep your workspace well lit and organized to prevent accidents. Section 9. Conclusion: show off your handiwork. Congratulations, friends. You've successfully crafted a beautiful and functional serving tray with your own two hands. Now it's time to show off your handiwork. Use it to serve up breakfast in bed, display your favorite books and candles, or give it as a heartfelt, handmade gift.